Oh, no. Oh. Ski boarders. That was a tree. Oh, right? That's alright, it's just a tree or whatever.
Yeah, it didn't move.
Well, I was trying to videotape or whatever. Yeah. While ski boarding.
Action shot.
Steezy. You like it? Good stuff.
Yeah.
Are you stuck? As a hat. Oh, saw that.
But you're still filming.
You stuck, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, careful. As a hat.
Under die, boys. Shouldn't have drank all that beer.
You mean soda pop? All them secrets. Oh. Too steep, but too deep. Is there such thing as too much snow? Oh, avalanche.
Avalanche.
As a hat.
Do it.
Marco Polo. Yo, little winds blow. Oh! Dude, that was a rock right there. It was a rock. I felt that's what you heard. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. dude. Oh, snow snake. There was a snow snake.
Alright, Trav, film this guy. Trav's gonna film it.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
Yeah. Decent. Nice, dude. Dude, he milked that like a cow.
Yeah!
Yeah, boy! I'm done recording now.